Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are having a topic application for sick leave. Before I explain my topic, I have to explain what is application. Students, application is basically a formal request. एक बाअदब गुजारिश होती है which you submit to any organization or institute. Whenever you write an application to your school, you should focus on the pattern and main body of the application. Students, write your application with these words: the principal. Keep in mind, T of the and P of the principal should be in capital letters. Then put comma. On the next line, write the name of your institute. Put comma. Then write the address of your school, your institution, put full stop. Leave one line, then write your subject. The reader could easily know what is the subject of application. If you write subject of the application, then leave one line. This is the main body. Start your main body with the word sir or madam. Then put comma. Students, this is the main body. When you write the main body of the application, use formal language. Then leave one line. Write yours obediently. Write your name, class and date. Our topic is application for sick leave. The principal, Iqra Fast Secondary School, Peshawar. Subject, application for sick leave, darkhwast baraye bimari. Then leave one line, madam, with due respect, sir or madam, with due respect. Students, write with due respect with margin lines. With due respect, it is stated that I am suffering from fever. Fever means bukhar. Suffering means mubtala hona. So I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for one day. Then on the next line, you should start, I shall be very thankful to you. Thankful means shukrguzar hona. Then leave one line. Write yours obediently, name, class and date. Hope you have understand. This is your activity. Write this application in your neat copy and learn it. You can also write this application in your own words according to the format of the application in your rough copy or practice copy. Students, one important thing that in description there is given a link for you for calligraphy class, book 2 for class 6, lecture number 2. Follow the link which is given in the description. Stay safe at home. God bless you.